Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about something important. This is for anyone who is an Uber Eats driver or a GrubHub driver. This is something you absolutely need to know. If you want to find out, please keep watching this video. So, have you ever been in a situation where you're delivering and the restaurant you had to pick up from was just absolutely terrible? They were so hard to work with. They messed up the order, they were super delayed, things like that. Or you came across a person or an apartment complex that you just never want to go to ever again. Like, you had a terrible experience. Well, this can all be avoided now with this awesome app called Para. So if you haven't heard of Para, it's a great app for delivery drivers and gig workers and rideshare drivers as well, where they'll give you a lot of extra features to help you make delivery driving a little bit easier. So what's cool about Para is that if you're an Uber Eats driver, Para users can actually flag restaurants or apartments they never wish to go back to. I'm sure if you've watched any videos of like tips on how to make more money, someone has told you along the way that delivering to student housing is something you want to avoid because usually college students don't tip. So the great thing about Para is that you can flag any student housing place you've been to where they never left a tip, so you don't have to go there and you can avoid orders from there. Now, if you're doing another delivery service like GrubHub, you can also flag restaurants and apartments, but also the individual person. So if you deliver to someone who was just a terrible customer, they were rude, maybe they didn't tip, like whatever the problem was with them, you can make sure that you don't have to ever deliver to them ever again. You never have to see their face. These are great features that Para has to offer if you want to make your delivery driving a little bit easier and kind of just avoid things that you don't want to deal with. You don't want to confront these problems. You can just push them away. Another great feature that Para has to offer is their earnings tracker. So their earnings tracker is available on all Para platforms, and it can just help you keep track of all of your earnings so that you can make budgeting a little bit easier. Like, if you're on the road to financial freedom, budgeting is really important, and just being able to see how much money you're getting in, how much money you need to spend, having an earnings tracker can help you with all of that. Now, we have a link to Para down below in the description. You definitely need to check it out. You should download the app. It's a very simple app to use, but if you do have any questions, you can always reach out to them. They have an email address, which is help@withpara.com. I'll have it up on the screen. And what's great is that they also have a YouTube channel and a Facebook group that you can join so that you can get more help or talk to more people about it. Yeah guys, definitely check out Para. This is such an amazing app for gig workers and rideshare drivers. Again, the link is down below. So if you guys have any questions, be sure to leave your comments down below in the description and let me know what you think if you have downloaded the Para app. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.